Welcome. In this video, we are going to solve NEET 2019 question in physical chemistry under the topic of some basic concepts in chemistry. In this year, only one question is asked. This is a very simple and interesting question. We just need to do unit conversion. That is the answer of this question. Just see the question. 10 gram of hydrogen and 64 gram of oxygen were filled in a steel vessel and exploded. Two gases are mixed together and exploded. That means the energy is released. It is just some like a fuel cell. Okay, fuel cell. Amount of water produced in this reaction will be exactly it is a fuel cell. Okay, how many amount of water is produced? They are asked amount of water in moles. 3 mole or 4 mole or 1 mole or 2 mole. How many moles of water is produced? But they have given the answer in. Sorry, they have given the question in. It is in the gram. If we need to convert gram into mole, then we will find the answer. What is the formula to find mole? Mole is basically nothing but given weight divided by molecular weight. For hydrogen, molecular weight is 1. Okay. For oxygen, molecular weight is 16. That's it. We will find the answer very easily. That's a 10 hydrogen. Molecular weight is 10. The answer is the molecular weight of hydrogen is 1, not a 10. Okay, it is 1. So there is a 10 mole of hydrogen is there, which means 10 hydrogen is there. 10 mole means 1 hydrogen is nothing but 1 mole. Simply, that's a 10 hydrogen. So what about oxygen? 64 is a given weight, right? 64 gram is a given weight. Molecular weight is 16. 4, right? It will give 4. So 4 oxygen. So if we write the equation, simply 10 hydrogen react with 4 oxygen to form how many water molecules? Basically there is a 4. So if we write in a gaseous form, it is in the gas, right? Gaseous, hydrogen and oxygen are gas. Gas, how to write? 5H2. H2 is a gas. Hydrogen is an element. O2 is a gas. Oxygen, O is an element. So 2O2. Which means there is a 4 oxygens. It will give H2O4 because there is a 4 oxygen, right? Oxygen is a minimum quantity, so it will decide the reaction. There is a 4 oxygen. I wrote 4 oxygen. Okay. Then here it is a 10 hydrogen. I have 4 hydrogen. I have 8 hydrogen written. Then 2 hydrogen is remaining. Okay. The simple way to understand this question is oxygen is a minimum in amount, so it will decide the reaction. So there is a 4 elemental oxygen, so it will form 4 H2O. To make 1 H2O, 2 moles of hydrogen is needed, 1 mole of oxygen is needed. So 1 mole of oxygen requires 2 mole of hydrogen to form H2O. We have 4 moles of oxygen, so it will require 8 moles of hydrogen. So the remaining 2 moles of hydrogen is left over. So the answer is 4 mole. This is a very simple one.